is just the latest in this list.
It is with pride that we introduce the winner of The Voice USA Season 26. Give it up. Give up a huge Soler Resort North. Welcome to Sofronio Vasquez.
Ang bigay ng may kapal.
Oh my gosh.
Tugon sa aking dasal. Upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ang lahat ng aking galaw dalawa. Araw tayo, dalawa.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sofronio Vasquez.
Grabe naman.
You know, the reason why I look like this is because of God. No, naghahanap kasi ako ng hat.
Really?
But I just came out hot. So, yeah.
Kaya sinabotouch mo, sabi niya, so anong susuot mo? Ang sinabi ko, all black lang, sir. Pero hindi ko sinabing pag ganito, yun na.
Wala naman to. Wala kasi akong kurbata. Palagpakan naman natin si Sofronio.
Thank you so much.
Yes. He has a very, very loud and hard voice. But his name is Sof. Is that weird? You know? You seem very busy nowadays, Sof. My goodness, ginagawa mong Quiapo ang Maynila. And why is that so?
Pwede ba akong magyabang?
Sure.
Alam niyo, sa sobrang pagmamahal ng mga Filipinos around the world, we became victorious and I won The Voice. So, every time na pag sinabi, Sof, you are needed in the Philippines, of course, I want to be here. And of course, sir, it's my honor. Sir Ruby, Sir Sika.
Isang ano ko lang, text ko lang, Sof, pwede ka ba? Walang budget pero game. Sabi niya, I'm down. No, really, wala kami pinag-usapan. Ganyang kabait yung taong yan. He does not forget where he came from. In fact, alam niyo po, lingid po sa inyong kaalaman, si Sof po, sa ibang mga parte ng mundo, ang tingin po nila sa akin, tatay niya. Yes, yes ka. Para patunay po na totoong sa ibang bansa ay ako ang kanyang ama. Ito po, mayroong nagbalita sa Estados Unidos at ganito po ang nangyari, ang inilathala.
In their small home, music was a constant presence, a lifeline that brought joy to difficult days. His father, Oniol Vasquez, played a significant role in shaping Sofronio's passion.
Nakakatawa yun. Proud ako doon, ano? Siyempre, nung lumabas yun sa TikTok, sabi ko, uy, ano nangyari doon? Bakit ako Ano ba nangyari doon? Bakit ako naging tatay mo?
Hindi ko talaga alam, sir. Pero kung ikaw may magiging tatay ko, at least yung magiging nanay ko, Miss Reg. Kaso naalala ko, pinakilala mo ako kay Miss Reg.
Grabe, niya, kay Regine lang pala.
Ay, hindi. Sabi
pero,
sa akin, kaninong asawa yan?
Hindi, ngayon aaminin ko na sa'yo. Total, kakarating mo lang talaga. So, ako talaga ang tatay mo.
Tinatanggap ko.
Pasensya na. Hindi ako katangkaran. But really, kakaiba talaga ang journey ni Sofronio. Alam naman po natin ang kwento niya. Pinanood po natin. Di ba? Palakpakan naman natin si Sofronio.
Thank you po sa inyo lahat.
His journey, panoorin niyo po sa YouTube. He truly is an inspiration to all of us, isn't he? And so, mahabang story. But what is the feeling? Eto na. Unti mo nang naaabot ang iyong mga pangarap sa Sofronio. Ano ang pakiramdam mo?
Wow. Sobra talaga po akong nagagalak na as a Filipino, we are given the opportunity to just share to the world that we really exist as a musician, as an artist, as Filipinos na very talented, and to be able to just sing here on stage and perform mga icons natin. Alam niyo ba kung gaano ako kakakabado ngayon?
Gaano kakabado?
Sir, nanginginig yung heels ko talaga.
Nahihinig yung heels mo. Well, eto. Hindi na kita babayaran para...
Okay lang po.
Para sulit na sulit. Di ba? Biro lang. Gusto niyo po bang marinig pa ang tinig ni Ginoong Sofronio? Eto pa. maririnig natin ang kanyang tinig at aawitin po namin ang ilang mga awiting sinulat naming tatlo. Okay lang po ba yun sa inyo? Wala naman din kayong choice. Okay, sige. Simulan natin sa awiting ito. Ay, sino bang hindi kinilig sa awiting yan? Di ba? High school tayo, nilagay natin yung cassette. Tapos sabi natin, say when I need you, you will always be there. Or if you go home and leave me, this I swear is true. My love will always, my love will beautiful song. And then I was asked by ABS-CBN to write a song about werewolves. About werewolves. Sir Louie, bakit ba werewolf ang tawag sa kanila? Ano ulit? Bakit werewolf ang tawag? Hindi ko alam, matawang-tawa ako doon. That's the truth. There was a story, and the title of the show was Lobo. And I had to write a story about werewolves, and it sounds something like this. Mula nang makilala ka, buhay ko'y biglang nag-iba. Kay saya ng bawat sandali, kailanman hindi pagpapali. Bakit?
Ikaw ang aking, ikaw ang sagot sa aking dasal. Puso ko ay naalay, pagkat minamahal kitang tunay.
Dibdib na dibdib. Ikaw ang aking pag-ibig, ang nagbibigay kulay sa aking dibdib. Wala nang nanaisip pa kung mapagkailanman ay kasama ka. The original singer will be called the Concert King, Martin Rivera.
Ngunit mahal, ikaw ay nasaan, aking biniti ay ikaw lamang. Ikaw lamang.
Pagkat minamahal
man ay kasama ka. Smiles that I'm always wanting, though deep inside it hurts because we know love is what it is what we got. We'll have to wait until that
Ladies and gentlemen, Sofronio Vasquez! I don't know the right corner. Sorry. Concert King, Mr. Martin Rivera.
Audio cassette!
Wait. You can't leave
Until
until...
this is my second favorite Soler. Right?
Yes, this is your second favorite Soler. Is there gonna be a third?
Abangan!
Oh, wow.
Abangan!
But really, Martin, thank you so much for
I
coming
love
over.
you,
I love
and
you.
I love Maestro Ryan Cayabyab, and I love Louis Ocampo, and I love you.
I love you, buddy.
Thank you. Give them a round of applause. What a concept!
Yes.
Right, boss? And Sofronio, come on!
Sofronio Vasquez, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Voice of USA 2024. The voice of the century and of the Philippines, the Concert King, Mr. Martin Rivera. Come on, you guys. Yes.
Oh. Grabe, di ba? Ooh. You know, a smart person told me before that if I'm going to have a show, I should have a guest who is better than I am, who sings better than I am. I, of course, did not listen to that person. Ladies and gentlemen, again, a big round of applause to Fronio and Martin Rivera. Truly, truly, the voices of our nation. Way back in 1981, Mr. C, meron po siyang ginawang project. Let's now talk about Mr. C. Ladies and gentlemen, national artist, Ryan Cayabyab. He has done so much for the country, you know, but in 1981, he released an album called One. Ang taas ng piano, di nyo nakakita. Wala na. I just realized, wala akong makita. Yeah, so, Mr. C, why did you come up with One concept? What was the concept behind One?
One word.
One.
Nagtitipid.
Ay, nagtitipid si Mr. C. But it was a gem of a product. Wasn't it? Do you remember that? It was a cassette, an album, an LP, and all a cappella, at puro boses lang niya ang maririnig natin. And as I understand, you released it again, right? Alright. Let's sing a song from that album. Are you ready? Here we go.